Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's right here behind me. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have audio and cruise controls mounted here. Full Pioneer stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Hyundai on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.